Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Square online order flow for dropshipping, detailed guide step by step clearly. To restore the Square online order flow for dropshipping, begin by logging into your Square online account. Navigate to the settings section found on the left sidebar. Select orders to access the order management settings. Scroll down to the order notifications section. Ensure that your email notifications are enabled for new orders. Check that your SMS notifications are also activated if preferred. Go back to the main settings page and select Payments. Verify that your payment processing provider is properly configured. Test your payment methods to ensure they are functioning correctly. Next, head to the Shipping section in the Settings menu. Make sure your shipping settings align with your dropshipping suppliers. Confirm that your shipping rates and regions are set up accurately. After configuring shipping, go to the Products section. Review your product listings and ensure they are correctly linked to your dropshipping partners. Update any product information that may have changed. Then, check your inventory synchronization settings. Ensure they are set to automatically update based on your dropshipping supplier's stock availability. Now, return to the Orders section. Enable any additional order routing settings if available. This helps streamline the order process directly to your dropshipping provider. Conduct a test order to see if the newly configured settings work smoothly. Monitor your order flow in the Orders tab. Look for any discrepancies in order processing or notifications. If everything is functioning, your Square online order flow should be successfully restored for dropshipping. Regularly review your settings to ensure continued efficiency. Stay updated on any changes from Square or your dropshipping suppliers. Maintaining communication with your dropshipping partners is essential for smooth operations. Create a documentation log of your settings for future references. This will assist in troubleshooting any issues that may arise later. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.